You need to learn the 4 rules first. The app and the 4 rules go hand in hand. Here's the recap of the 4 rules. Rule number 1 is give every dollar a job. Rule number 2 is embrace your true expenses. Rule number 3 is roll with the punches. And rule number 4 is age your money. After reading and understanding the concepts, we will move on to mistake number 2. Not preparing a list of expenses. Listing down all previous expenses is important in the success of our budget. Check credit card statements, checking account transactions, and even Shopee or Amazon orders. We can use a spreadsheet to list down all transactions to see the total monthly expense. Here's an example list of expenses that will help with the setup. If we can get the full picture of expenses down to the last cent, that's great. Half of the battle is already won. Even though we have a somewhat complete picture of the monthly expenses, it will greatly help with the budgeting setup in the app. Don't worry if you miss out any expenses. It will be revealed later once we get the ball rolling on the budget. This information will be used in the next video when we set up the accounts and the budget. Mistake number 3 is not having a goal or list of goals when starting the YNAB journey. This might sound like an optional thing, but it's important to have a purpose or something to look forward to. Using the YNAB system provides us a plan for our finances. What do we want to achieve? Do you want to pay off your debt, own a home, or create an emergency fund? Or maybe travel around the world? The more specific the goals are, the better, and it's up to you and your priorities in life. Mistake number 4 is stuck on the same mindset of being reactive to our finances. A shift in mindset is needed. The tracking of expenses is reactive. On the other hand, forecasting budget is predicting the future. YNAB budgeting is a snapshot of our present financial status. We will need to work with what we have, not with what we had or what we will have. We're directing every dollar to carry us to our goals. Understand that this might take some time, but we need to work towards that change. And before we go to the bonus tip that I have prepared for you, would you be so kind to like the video? Yeah? Great, thank you very much. I'd like to reiterate the importance of the 4 rules of YNAB. I would even go far to say that the first 3 are important, while aging your money might not be that critical when you're starting out. While I was editing this video, I found out that when signing up on YNAB, you are given a number of steps to identify and set up your accounts and budget categories. These are definitely helpful in your starting journey, and it's great to see that the developers of YNAB are giving so many options and helpful steps in managing your budget. Definitely follow the on-screen instructions on the setup, and we will update it using our list of expenses on the next video. Whether you are just starting on YNAB or have started previously and wanted to restart your budget, I hope these tips are helpful. And hey, thanks for your time. If the video helped in any way, subscribing or sharing it to others is your gift to me. Appreciate your kindness. See you next week.